Chapter 8. The Role of the Mind in Controlling Your Feelings. When you feel emotions, what exactly takes place in your mind? What role does it perform? Knowing the mind's role in controlling your feeling will help in managing the power of the mind effectively. The mind's resources will be channeled to more productive mental contents, producing a more refined mindset and life pattern. In part 1 of this book, the mind was described as the place where thoughts are born. These thoughts are influenced by experiences and learning. Whereas feelings were described to occur naturally, and thoughts are produced to manage the needs presented by feelings. Every aspect of your life will be affected by how you feel. It is either how you feel about yourself, your physical health, or your feelings about your relationship with others. There is a direct link between your mental health inhabiting your mind and your feelings projected to your physical health. This implies that sleeping issues, digestive disorders, heart issues, energy loss, and other health issues can be directly linked to mental health issues such as depression, rage, and bitterness, to mention a few. That being said, the mind apparently plays an invaluable part in getting your feelings sorted out. What must you do to keep your mind performing at optimum level and projecting the right feelings? You might wonder. Practical steps that can be easily carried out have been highlighted below. Exercise. Studies have shown that exercise can have a tremendous impact on the mind. It clears up the path for cognitive development. According to some findings, persons having mild cognitive impairment have experienced improvement after engaging in aerobic exercise for at least 3 times each week. Walking backward, ascribed to walking back to the past, can affect the short-term memory. This form of exercise or motion is still being researched on, as it has not been clearly defined to be a memory aid. Weight training is gaining more popularity of late in boosting the feelings and moods of different individuals. Also known as resistance training, it does not simply offer an advantage in body maintenance or managing the cardiovascular system. It reduces depression. Studies have shown that persons engaging in resistance training for at least 2 days weekly experience fewer depression symptoms than their counterparts who did not. Meditation. Meditation is essential in reducing stress from the mind. In response to the stress being experienced, meditation triggers relaxation. It does this by activating a change in physiology, which helps lower heart rate, blood pressure, breathing rate, adrenaline levels, consumption of oxygen, and stress hormone cortisol. Sleeveless meditation is of different forms. They include yoga, tai chi, transcendental meditation, mindfulness, and guided imagery meditation. Meditation is renowned to be highly effective. It is mainly used as a treatment or as part of treatments for chronic pain, high blood pressure, high levels of stress, and many other conditions. REACH method. The REACH method, which focuses on intellectual, sensory, and physical development, affects the functioning of the brain. It leads to brain development when it is simultaneously addressed within a program. It can help individuals sort out their self-esteem issues, teaching them forgiveness and letting go of disappointments in their past. It eliminates negative thoughts, reduces anxiety, stress, and breeds optimism. No drug approach. Although moderate or milder symptoms of depression can be controlled and relieved with the use of antidepressants, you should say no to drugs. This is because many other options exist that can do the job without the negative effect of drug use, such as addiction and abuse. Good news is that non-drug options are also available to help in the management of depression, reduction of stress, and avoidance of further episodes in the future. Some of these non-drug options include eating balanced diets, good exercise, social engagement, maintaining an optimistic view, and gratitude. Use of weighted blankets. The mind can be easily overworked, and this can lead to stress or anxiety. Many persons are buying into the idea that weighted blankets help relieve stress and anxiety. There can be no harm in trying, as it offers extra sleeping support and comfort. Remember that the goal is to relieve the mind from stress and anxiety. Engage in brain training. Training your brain is essential in setting the mind up to control your feelings. As a person grows old, the cognitive skills wane. Thinking and recalling thoughts poses a greater challenge than ever before. So, the reserve of the brain needs to be effectively utilized. To train the brain, activities that promote learning, thinking, practice, and repetition should be embraced. This is because such activities improve problem-solving skills, recalling the memory, and processing speed, which are all various examples of cognitive skills. Increase resilience. Resilience is coping with stress positively. It offers numerous health benefits. It is associated with lower depression rates, longevity, and greater life satisfaction. One way you can increase your resilience is by looking at the positive side of things. Practicing meditation, which increases your oxygen level, breathing rate, heart rate, and triggers relaxation hormones, is another way to build resilience. Improve your habits. Your thinking skills are surely protected if you regularly engage in healthy lifestyles. Your brain's health is supported when routines of good habits are embarked on. Good sleep, treating health issues, quit smoking, manage stress properly are some routines that will greatly boost your health. Aerobic exercise also increases the flow of blood to the brain and reduces the chance of brain injury. It also serves as a great engagement that supports the brain.